na okoma ento yam mede ya family lady reverend mama ya bosie du medofo nyame nhyirawo sa woje brada bia na wodi wafidi edito Adom 106.3 FM na wotimi etie nkomo ibi ne dru ba bia wonso kura wode asan so ede aboa ya nyawo anke ye be den sanya wa wotie yen ya enka efa yen koto number 1 yemo nkomo de number 1 show na bibia di adanse se waje atum na da bia waso gu ha na bi kra tie mo mami ade we de be yi a monya no 2 times a week ni ade ye de be ne once pe na timi ayewde ai nyame wonhyira na brebia wo betena se bia wo di bia ba na brebia obi so betena se na je se wonso watie bi na siesie wa ware siesie wa brabo na enyo menyina etimi ekumu kama I said you woni mu no enne mene mapamfo mienu na wa ha no Kobe Stone last week oba abeke kan sembi Manchester Crofo ka bo ebebo no obi kan wo mo nso a omo bo ma bra bot so no ane de ni bi de omo je ni tumu yie papa ebi e ma ne de omo dwa am se na de kra na owure watete wa okeke kan sa se de e ma ni se king nti treatment ade be ma me se sa oto aso me no te na me kwa djuma hu se me ye djuma enti men frɛ me because me ntime mpeke ukɔ me so nya da agye mfrɛfrɛ no busa se asase so aware na ɔka na se wawu awia ware na ɔka ani ade so ɔtena hanom ebo defense pepepe ewie ene Cobblestone hanom na COVID-19 ba ye ena oni ni ku decide say womo be hyedem womo ana mo pede ma hyedada na ja COVID-19 sa so beboa wom tie ni womo hyedem yie ye wie ye sister MP still was say mo de edem ho ano be hye because womo ko hye ho no mu sesi ani ku nso ye sofo ne ku nso asore nso sesi ya atum enti amma je se ni gi aba won tem mafie de no obi a oba bi ama counseling ni ku nkoso ko bompa ya ma obi a etiani amma chese 1 mame 1 mame 2 mame 3 mame 4 sister the last time he me ka sa wanyem wase me boa ene nyame adobo be pie ha ni nyi se tin edinanim o hwa e hoya sofo mame Jean Anderson ene de waba so mami mo akwa abrewa mo akwa aye juma mama yeko so for all around me sure so around say bi abokodi baby ni so keke fine see ese omo yenta for
debi
okay
nyanye yi se bi ni mu
ewo me de mehu dada. It is of Mama Jean Anderson and Hannah Wajina Dra and in a funa kids where be has a 5 months pregnancy, 3 months before her occur into hibernation. And sana Cobblestone, COVID was through or no one baby on an anam. It's COVID-19 was thrown in the day, the Wakatan and no day. Coming back so be ya de wait me akaza
anya program so be se mu
pacho yi wai na ikrofo hu anim ikrofo be so mu hu anim ti pacho ya no we yi ama me me da fu me san so aka wo se menye mapamfo mienu yi de Suzy Herbal for and a boy so ya se me de djumedi e de brew oba se wase ekekawo anase hu sesesi asent bi enhyedan koye ni o ma bi enhyedan koye wunya wo mensesa wo tinka se wa yase eye wo ya pa pacho bomodi ase ube yusu ubekọ CB women capsules na etimi aboa wonya discharges bi anase mpo se woni wura Asia na hu se eye wo ya meje se kire se yare bi eda wa ya se hono ebe bi anampo wo se wodi woni feelings ana obi buka se wonya wo mensesa wo problem ana ho say aya na eye wo ya ba chokoji bi be man so wa e bia na o mo a o dwonso ane mo apai mienu nyentafo na wo ba be wo obi so on mo se me dwonso agi se me chiman sa na ba obi so on mo se the catita asha me be me mu obi so on mo se Johnson no cry ma the encrafo finish amoba no ai me pa chobo modi an say wo no so wo beto CB men capsules na etimi aboa wo ma wo Johnson yare anasa Johnson mu yare nyina etimi afri homa okoma atoyem na oba ana be ma wo so wana se wa propro ne ade nyina ebeko ma okoma atoyem a eno ane CB soap bo modi an say obeko akogibi na odi aye o pedicure na nyoma nyina etimi akoyi ankasa ede aboa wo I from 0247 111 671 0247 111 671 honey a black rock honey whiskey omo ene soya sin whiskey crojin ayede honey flavor ede awono kama wunya ice cubes to so let's say wunya wa hoho a eja mo amonim no de monim de make na wetimi ede aseve wa hoho kama se mpanifo ehia ahemfo ehia ene etitiru de eno ane black rock honey whiskey kasa prekofo ene de so ya sing na se wunya 18 years and above aswesi enko ho bo modern say obejade pa alomo so sabre wanya 20 years alomo at 20 years na say the onim na authentic natural herbal bitters womo de aba alomo mekai pa lomo ba system kra na ye jese nyasam ketwa che bebia na metikra na me slim alomo ba system na me slim na me tesa Addis Ababa alomo ba system no abeche enne me kese na so hu sa alomo watrase ache ampeni ampanti wose sabre promotion wo hono mo ankasa yeah man nyoma bebre sawoto alomo 50 ml sachet na wo bie so wait me you stand a chance of winning t-shirts and smartphones and live goods upon chiankasa ukuta wade na no kobisto so no de no pe why je alomo na wo ko san kuti wa ponchi and if you onyina be bie wa ma and smart TVs and drinks in your manoma bebre na ultimate price no car name hu set terms and conditions and still remains ankasa alomo so se wunya 18 years and above asmesi ma enko COVID-19 said you win him yeguswa ye pese de bia obo ho ban temperature hohoro frequently as possible na use sanitizers and so na baby biara ubedru bia make sure say wo bia be ye kura wunya tissue bia wo de asonops ne ade mu de bie se de be ya bibia ebetimi akoyie na o ukoto groceries and as a provisions and patch but modi as one papa ho and as mpo wakoto vegetables ne ade wo krom no hohoro ho ye me de normally me hohoro ho be 4 times nada it is COVID-19 ya be de matum be 8 times e bunsuo no gusa e betua na se de be ya obi a betimi a stay healthy and na baby a wo bia surfaces tables so baby a wo don saso ne other as often as possible making sure say there be a door knobs baby I would do say be any ade nkrofo bebre bie ebi afa bola ebi akodo ebi eja wona ebi ahem ebi ayeden enti door knobs so de ebi yanka ukuta tissue ade ebie enye san so de ade bia making sure say ukuta sanitizer ana say ukuta sa spray ni bi na de spray na just wetimi apepa na nneoma nyina etimi akoyie nyame onhyira sankrofo ya esomasen na yedi dwumedi yedi ebrew ye monkomo so na ye wi na enne kobi bibia bakode
bibia kama
enne ye topic a ye hwe eye tietietia eden so pa and me the teaser kakra to so you start free TV so and say waware be me bi waware o baby na obi a woni ne wo hono woni na tena che kakra woni be me bi date 4 years 5 years obi okwa you are cohabiting with somebody wo hwe ni su ne ne ban ma su ni won ban be me bi a waware o baby a waware be me bi obi a woni obi te o baby a wo hu na bi woni na sha ase free be school time abesi samre and e bi kro o mo ware ba still o mo da so ho ne ade if given the chance to choose again remember be choose man or money more come if given the chance given the opportunity for you to choose be more ube choose oba on anyone ube choose be man on anyone not necessarily pertaining to you but yehwe nyoma ekoso we are saying the way a dynamics war relationships more especially free and pratrim e mema bebre e ma complain say be man na wo betwem pra beginning hey and you were frefre a day over 50 times or send no credits was he share me hanum says you fine I want to show you to my friends no the way pay no the work what baby akwache gu so you birthdays any idea unka sample surprises been in amasie any idea basika what dey train one now can say ade onim so ultimate to us no don start we dey yanko ni last week the oga nyina my etie nyina omo kai eti yehwe you say wa chie gu obai so obai kuma to ne yam ya ware 7 years down the line 5 years down the line 15 years 3 years down the line wo okra 2 years 1 year na ya ware wo mu no dynamics ni ade woman yehwe ugiri say emema bebre if given the chance to choose again on be choose one year no on be choose one girlfriends and no money omo hoyi on be choose mom fiancé say bi okra na oba no ne wawo anane na wo ti obi kai waka so we are would you given the chance would you choose that same person again and again reasons it ya o feel say mema do na so many opportunity omo choose one year no bi and how be choose one beam yes
mama here e be gina no ma bi so said I would kan na
okay
na obu o wa sebe one na twemp na ne de nko na mo be ware nso anka se otimi move from class 1 no and I say level 100 no who say oh ye call level 200
okay
no they still na no baby o wa no wo eno ni nyina no eye no ma bi a okekase ani a ebetimi ama watena sia ka se dey pa de senya ifro pa ya ene bia ye kokko to kura na ye ko sensan ya
ka ko ya che
nka wo me ja o kwan se kofi a che pa
okay yehwe woni me I am very practical on you maybe level 1 ye call level 2
yes
me expect say oba no obesesa as one sesa
yes
my enuma ni bia wo hunu say won prem ye kompana twi
ye komprema
say na ya na emma related to mema won pratwi mu a ema o mani gi ehunu say me ware obayi na me na tena kosi afemo na so hunu say pratwi mu ai aware mu de there's nothing to write home about saying so na aya na emma bi obu okra na omo nware you we aye ka na enye pertaining to our for pe bu okra oni nipa na tena che hu se commitment bi na abem ka odwane ya che ani ade ade na ya ma ni bi ye at the beginning etimi chi mema ni bi adwen na we hu se we pa de ye fine aso be wa na sesa ye ko ye bobo
ade ba ko a edikan pa ni se oba no be ye addicted to enoma bia ono no ebi odi free in school time especially omo a ebi a wo da emfa ne se wa hia no university level bi ana wa hia no baby a festival bi ana adwumam na ebi at that time no edi kan de didie mu kura betimi ahwe at that time a wo hia no foforo na mo twempna no ne nsano mu ye kan nyina no mane meme nyina asem ne ye kan yo
wo de ba wo hwe bobbo ma no
empese me
bobbo ma no anioma omo ye
ne nsa wie mu
omo nsa wie mu na ese den empratwi mu no
ebi ana level bi anka wo ne ko
na ona ne wie ne pepepe ana se den
enye se bi a wo ne wie ne pepepe bi ana sa time no hu foforo no
on sheda annum ne sa
on shada bro said ebia na wo adwen o say eh guy dey nka we dey normal we dey ye be
dey fast ana ye emetie ti obi anso person of level ye hwe say na oba every ensan hin na oba re from the beginning na be ma hunu say we dey normal
oh me ka say sebi oba re ensan na ye enye no ne me ya meka o ti ase but obu wo ho a wo hia no fofora ye nipa yentwa kakra ndidi
okay
obetwa kakra de didi
ye budidi
ama we hu se we de na wo twa didi akeke ne ade an wo ye but afei ekọ anim na ekọ akire no ubaba fie na wasawu fufuo na eyo no asa de wawi bi pa ne hu fifra so wode ba
watoto bi
jese ne kasa ne bibia asesa wode mu ho enya ba ko na nya mienu anytime ye bia weekend bia fo se oye aduane bi ye bibia nka wo de wo ba fia ma anije na to aso no ubaba na chese ne nsawie mu level no akosoro o ti ase ebi nso ye social media yi level na ye the best start any level a wawade ye no
still wa remain
empempenso ese wudi duru wo ba na sebe ye wura wade mu sesia no
abe matiska be
wa no
yes
ese utimi hu se this level no ada se ka haya ana se mi hunu hawa me de be ye no what I say? I know, my see, and I'm entering medical. May church you more when you addiction, no, they are why addicted, no, and I may church you be no.
But yeah, is it not that? It be one, it be so problem to say. Bama na tama one watching pana. Yen na ye budidi on hano. Obu okra ono obi kan asam kan e mani bi ka se. One wo ba be dana wonu yo moya. O pese we dwaman story nti wose ane bo kakra nanso onya ware wi a wose ane afi
enya me ka se ni twa no level na se wo hwe ni yi
na no wo de
ba kwese oh you atre da ho joint bi wo ikwase ma wo be fro atre da ho unim ka hawa wo be ye no level ese wutimi ye duro wo ba na ho se we die papa yi be oba na ba ye ni se ya unse mamu life bu omo we dey o made o mbeba na my say dia and mama ya say mama ye we say mama ye say mo amu nim sa level you should know the level ese wo de ko and afei shopping and sa aye gambling bi a omo ye no o ta say shopping no ya won the level ese ye twempena no o ma yetimi maintain sa level no na say
edwadie baby one more to to
edwadie obey addicted wo dwadie no bi lie bi a wa hwa wo be no ho se wo wade no emma sisi titire pa enema no ye ma menom de so de ko enema no ebi wo wade wo ma edwadie no se de tie no
na okay yen hwe eti before a won wade no na nipa no na won to ade ana
no won to ade a enye se afi a wo be wade ni wie ye no kwan a wo fa so de to no
teenagers who feel who say man be wa begin obe sheda said here
me dem me pesa enso man 1 month 2 months afi na ne mama bia wo yade da dem wo ba be kiro se ne me mama yade ne fine ne fine
ne papa generator asai ni nyina ye oka koso
entisa enoma bia wo be addicted to it na afi o twe ho antwe nko no me kwamna de senye wedding bi na ya ye wo mpa de abejao
ebinum so say emma said ya okay wona na etwe mpra onim se ne kasa nye enso how ibo ase we odo we janu sa na otie janu sa na otie afo ware na osie onim kasa
so me
obi hono ma wo hia onim se ge ikro onim ono potimi kan so say me de mama me mama wo ntamti me she da ni beduane no na so na wa pe
me brobro so ba kransa ma beduru he ba ko e kan won so ye se un communicate ye se that time na bia te se dia wo ka ye ye sha na wo ka se e bia before no ofra o say no ye ni say no see abedu level bia communication no e si etimi cut to some level ye mienu nyina
okay
enye se that time na bia ya bedu fie no yes etimi di ye ho nkomo bi anase bia me wa adwuma nkomo bi a me ne wo di wa adwuma na me de ba fie na se twenwa dwingyina bibi so
ti said
ti se me ba fie na nkasa no oh so of mama Gian na de na one aduane de
no me sika wo yitu
unse me free fie no empanative na me na twitwi wa ma ife asesa ba shit ne mama
okay waka nyina
so sankomo bi na no atade bi a wo se so de ya no fe so
na
de
yesa wo be ma no so no wagije ne so da bi wo so wagije oba ne so
wo gije ne so gije ne
ofre wo so fa yo
na me se so gije ne so wo gije ne so
tie me se ofre wo so fa yo
na wo fa sen
aha
wo fa
sen na wo Nkommo de
na wo fa ka wo ne sankomo ni na sia no
okay
wo de sankomo ni sia no ama na hu se wo ba fie nka wo ba no se wo oba na adwene na fe wo ba bedu na asemasi asa yekomo baye koso
intinaje zamo fele se ebia wo empratwe mu no omo ma mo some excitement o fele se waware mu wanya eno so ti if given the chance unchusu sa oba ni bi
me dem say afi na ma satam ne na bia fa ne se empratwe mu na me kan sa sem ya onim ni America onim be bia me de na adwen ko onim asma America me be du fie a o ma me nye na te se papa ne sisi so
ba wo se tama
masaji wa bi nyina
so ba wo se empratwe no so no na won kasa no we iska to ho
ni nyina me na me kan
o empratwe no so na ofre wo pe wo fe o
na manfa nka me ne
na ta se ne
na me chese manfa se nka me ne nkasa
okay
onim de ya ko fa wenya ma ne bi ehu wo mo husbands ne wo mo ekunu mu na wo ma waro mkra se omo ye enemies
sesen
me kanu kra na akire wo
da bi chirechire mu
se fane se wo be hu bibi kra woni phone so ya wade awie o wo be hu bibi woni phone so se bia na nafu dada bi ena nkomoda de bi na bia abepiem ene nipa
jirem
o de
jirem
ene nipa
ko bi mi si jirem
mi jirem mu ene nipa ena de na de abepiem enye no na fe na wo sa be gina so abekaka titidie bi na wo be de abekoso obama be ma na be yo enemy
okay
no matter the si nyina achi no so ma me hu se se ne me ya obo sama
ohun bibi ama ne ha no
me ya obo ma me hu se me ya obo sam
okay
because me de me ade ba kwa me chi wo me life mu me chi kokokokokokoko ene se wo be ma me hu se unya me abaye me ene me so me da me hu so enjende se ka wana mkoto e ya boden kura na me fa nsama ko bobosia na ma pray de tuya ka na me ja okwanse ko ba bi because so be hu nipa da sene me no da so de anopa wi anwumre na wo sa be hu mi se me your enemy bibi ka kra bi ama yenti
ba le o mu no se messages ne de beba na emu messages ne ba ma ba ne bu
video ne de beba
okay na ani fanasa ne de no me so ba ye no na nipa ni nue na nipa odi fie de on your phone be mama cause of mama jian no answer me cause of my mama share me messages kakra and then Facebook why ye de keke me me pa cho fa message fa send ho fa ho no mama me Adom 106.3 FM ebe kind kama Eddie amaya no why short we just easy se be how Maxwell Mate or say good evening mommy, good evening my darling, and yeah Hillary, and I say hilarious signal will say thanks mommy for your great work. God bless you too my darling. Wafa kwejo Andrew dear or say also yanko yanim and sana Yao Bachman or say greetings to my wife Lodina Ama Mensa and my son Nana Kwesi Bachman. Ahana betcha you yate. Good evening. Ishmael Afwakwa or say good evening Mommy Gold. Watching the show live inside in someone prison. Hey, cell number bang. Cell number bang. Inside is on prison. Okay, barracks block H. Okay, we thank God. Or say yes, because my wife has always been good to me and the family. I love and cherish her a lot. Greetings to my wife Adoma inside in swim. Okay, so that just ono the okoba the obesan so aware no. Maxwell Martin must say, mommy, I am watching you live from Tema. I like your program too much. I like your program so much. Okay, yes, we had our say. Anna Apiedu Menu or say good evening mom, watching you live from Netherlands or say I like your program, I love you too darling. And Ghana Judas or say Kobe Stone and no cry said okay Kobe Stone your person just not drink I like that. Then Judas was saying Obekum or saying Okuma Okumankra. The Kobe Stone. Okay. You. And Vivian Comlan, I'll say, Mommy Gold, good evening to you and your listeners. I say, you are looking so glorious. Thank you so much. I say, I like your dress. I love you too, darling. Yami Winshaw. And Nana Ajwa say, wow, say, good evening. Good evening, darling. I am Patrick. So keep your comments coming. Kofi Tei, and I say, Techi. Okay, Techi. I say, Mommy, good evening. Watching you live from Awoshin. Nice program. Okay, my darling, God bless you. Watching you live, Cynthia said, watching you live from Italy. Cynthia Egbeto Walkba. Okay, watching you live from Italy, mommy. All right, God bless you. Agnes Abwajiwa was I'm watching you live from Italy, Vicenza. God bless you so much, my darling. Isaac Chumesi was I'm watching you guys live from Israel, Tel Aviv. Oh yes, I said that because of COVID-19, many people will get pregnant. So don't be surprised that don't be surprised, Mommy Gold. It is true. Okay. So for Mommy Jean, when you say no, they say I dream who Tel Aviv, you know. Isaac Samba say, good job, Mommy. I'm watching you live from Bilbao, Spain. Okay. God bless you, my darling. And a perpetual honey, I say good. Anna. Okay. And Agnes is say good evening, ma. I don't think Kobe Stone knows what he's even talking about. Nana one was he asked Kobe Stone asked why you be and then firing son and glad I'm watching you from Hamburg. Yanko Yeni best so abaso. So mommy. And my baby, and next has him me teaser kakra to Hanum, maybe you want me WhatsApp as you go on, you be kind kakra. And I made it to Hanum, mama. Would you marry the man you are with? Would you choose the same maybe one not snatch on your one mobile not snatch? Would you choose that same man? Bet me I can say 90% to say any for where? Me choose one would be a muda. Name my mamma, you know about the woman you have some bitches or more. It's yes. I didn't know a man who say a member worry one more and how many omatana omodate I nunti no kwasemni giving the opportunity to choose another one for order.
Mamma say, Yamin shall be brave. Why if my feel
one a jammy may show when that's all the jammy sweet time. Insane I do what to take. Oh, yeah,
show flat Tommy very
about one you know I have grown a meeting. Me teasing why
Miku a Bishop Alfred Anders saying and so Yamin Shani, baby, I love him so much. Mammy. Nya mekani say
reply now ma wa dream no mate reply now
I love you so much.
Mommy go
why never want to go back to guys of guys of mommy so often is share the movie
mommy say
often is share the movie
yes
one of our TV so
Share no dodge me.
What TV so every day?
You could be asking for na o share me kra no dodge me chasing akwa
no me chasing akwa mami musa edintia
ma dipe bi woni nche
ade
ma dipe bi
bodin
ma die bi
eh
woni nche
osafo
e wose mi ko
de nyame adwuma ne so ye o na ja nkonya na wayi wodam ye
mami da so say enyama bebre wo ho a enne no oba bi betumi aka say ohia bema na say bema one na nantini nyama bi wo ho a ontumi emane to relationship ni so bio yenhwe bema sebio ne kasamu enye de bema odidi obaaten abribia wo ba ne beye bribi no ne che say eye atemdidie ena dikan ena sempo ena nchen wo ba na ya de mpo asebia wo so obona basumpo no I feel so proud say obeka me oh thank you
as onye
as wo unye hwe tembia o just you so unappreciative eye no kwa no odi eja wo kwan sa be ma no so de ma me eye ade beto enche
onyi ni se mema bebre ho no ma one wo twempena ohwe wo pa because of shower or spend it so or the upie or jiji so bibi kitu e bi kro no kra be ba pouch and obi send me or so mama me ku mission for front me kra ma ye bibi no ono mo be ba be pa me chew no see odo ye wu any ade o see enne onyama hey you can go to hell with whatever you are saying
ade ne dani na dani be ma otisa no o wa abotre to a certain extent edru baby na abro so ama no ono dani ne ho ye one plug untumi ensan sisan untumi ensan ne bionda ndabio
that no it doesn't mean say obi bufu na o show ni displeasure it doesn't necessarily mean any pano ohun say o ye ne enemy
ndabi
ade I hano no say o nya kwan
ekempo na edisa ye mefa ne say enmity ni eba emema bebre ye ntro obeka no kura pa de ne ode ne nsa be hyegem no watwa ntro de akere onim se message e ba ne phone so no onim be bia message ni free onim ni pa cross send ni message ni so obeka twa say ya adedada ene ya san repost e de abre no wo ma weni anawa ni e de asokwa ada no ade fufuro bi
sa sami so mama yen hwe kobi kan ti na me gina hono mema bebre say wona ma ware ho eti hu bibi kra wo mi phone so a why do you even fret big deal bia so just chillax any idea your baby cry or and say you cry what is your problem
disloyalty it shouldn't be like that say me oba so me phone so wo be ma kra because o ko twese kan wo beka so ukobotu enti senya wo mpese de be ye ono sa na me su me fa enya me I do not want to see them do not let them appear on your phone and delete na me hu ye say eni ehu enye time
okay
delete na me hu
na so no so ja the phone wan ka say be phone
me hu dia ma me na
so wa che na papa
ya me dia
na ko fa the phone ya che na nim na e
wo dia wa dia ya me dia me so me dia eye wo dia enti e bia mada and I was wada. No, I just feel like exploring your phone.
I didn't know where
Facebook. Me WhatsApp. Me WhatsApp. You know message na be up here but also. Pepom, honey, how are you? Hey, mommy, me honey, how are you? Men daddy. I will not keep quiet. Maybe sir, where from this? And no more sanya man in a enmity ever.
But mema no so say sanya na mo ye no. E same one relationship because a person no tina fine. So go sanya anything no.
And mema have every reason say. And mema have every reason say. Oh who de dia ni bubefu. Adinti na me de me who de dia. E ma me bu.
Mami ko bi hon ko
dia. Na o say ye media no. Da ben na watimi aka say ne nka me yes sen we na obesha kwa adwuma no wasi mi shoe na ka ho say na ode kwa adwuma
na so ye be ma ade na ko show
the same thing is say no wait
listen me mobile phone we obi a cell phone obi a ye now they say ma dey o dia
Bible say we will lie naked yen feri ya honi you telling me
na wa dey no dey chain dey da wa han mu kra no ye the most sacred ade kra nya bo sema me ade na ade da wa han mu ye the most sacred thing no utimi bie so ma wo yire timi hwemu utimi bie wo to ne ade nyina ahwe ne o ma ade ji na phone there. How the no go? What is them pempen so about?
Mommy, what is mobile phone? Mobile phone is communication between you and I. We use it for communication. We use it for other things. Obi wa kra ni momo pin crossing yire and they don't go there.
By every copy yen same way I okay no yen hwe yen turn anything the tables let's just say ofa wo yire phone na hu sa wo yire be me bia send no I love you babes. I quite remember the last time we met you made me very happy. Any idea? Your only phone said you working. Ah, Beman.
So
baby sa pie wo phone so na oyiri hu a cheche wo de nyabotre eno de is allowed because oye bema wo ye bema
enya sana me
na wo kuta phone no so kuta ne phone
enya sana me ka
nyabotre eno so no mane nkwohwe na wakasa ne buafu
menhwe da
na okwohwe kra nsese ne bufu because o ware
menhwe nkasa
wo ye se me bobo so ba okwohwe kra mane bufu because o ware no na ane ne te wa na ati sika ko ware no but ye tene ne ba that same bema kro no ade nsese that same bema that same oba no de bema bi sending a message ni bi dia na te say bema no de openi wu
wa sending
the American say me encourage you be a wawade asebe wo pe o yira o person ne tena etwa be 50 years together and now 40 years together me encourage you say
kochempra
kohwe wo yiri phone so
the opposite just
don't ever do that
men
phone so no so abe phone so
Mami, there is no lawyer. There is no loyalty. Yes, loyalty.
Mama, you are saying Japadina, no mobile phone, the pen of loyalty was assassin. I did come to do mobile phone is sub make what Tom mobile phone.
Wow, do
mobile phone, Nadia cry, register SIM card, Mr. and Mrs. Assassin then who Mr. and Mrs.
You all register code baby just next of kin.
Mobile
baby Christ next of kin. Next of kin. Next of kin one Mommy Usi wuni pedweni nyina aya me dia.
And the network
is na mobile phone dear. I know they are out of coverage. Baby, your mobile phone is mine. As well as your being is mine.
Make sure
that belongs to
make sure say me no am tia sisi no me fan hye me ho say me be ware o na me de mani abehwe wo phone say me be yi phone na hwe
mama go Facebook
so me nya me bi da
mama go Facebook but Adom 106.3 FM I appear who so saying good evening I'm watching you live from I say mommy I'm watching you live from Italy. I say most women pretend when they are in a relationship with you they want to do everything to get the man's attention so the man can marry her and they will not show the same behavior when they they will not they will not show the same behavior when behavior they put when they were in the relationship with the man. So they just say oh no empranchi mu di oba be pretend Hassan bin Abdullah or say mami eboa the lockdown in the rooms is opposite to it is a lock up and a lockdown. What did the episode James Kadiri or say could be more fire as well as could be bottom more fire. Nana Kwame Odra just mommy good show. Your panelists are doing well today. We thank God. And Dorina yes was a mommy. You are a blessing to us and the upcoming great women in Christ. We thank God, my darling. I akpene or say or say Rev. Me not I wouldn't even want to I wouldn't even want to meet him in my next life. I like that. Akpene say man for where one person person that sorry I can say yes blood of Jesus I constantly I like that. Nana Opogu I say his exertions are not helping. Give reasons. Example, and you are beating about the bush. Gobi, what the any amount? And Felicia, Krama, or say, Mommy Gold, good evening. Watching you live from Belgium. I like your program. God bless you, my darling. And Livingston, or say, Kobe is on fire. Let him flow. More fire, man. Watching you live from somewhere. And Nana Pogo, Kobe Stone is your typical, or say, he's your typical Ghanaian man. I wonder if he is in a relationship. Boy. And I go say, sentiments exactly. The way can 1 second. So who say Kobe or Yare? Collins Yabwa. Or say I'm watching you live from Dubai. My wife Alice Yabwa at Nungwa Nautica. Or say she's been good for days for day one. And I really love her so much. And the person chance Okoba Obesamba around me. Yamba studio the
Mami, Kobe say a ma pretending pan. But me person say a mema pretending more. And a woman sunama a man a pretending and then because of Kwasiebua, or Mudia boo a maybe no more sabi, and maybe a pass the sun, Womunia, or Mobile will ya send me by no come to be so baby up say or Boabe my age up at the Buanonia and Abu Sebio Sebi. Baby a bear man a beja while the book was to the bia na a man so I lie low or show D now for football into the extent to show it about defensive game and I say Ube Bonnie saying it's your bad pretense a member.
But by Yansha and Mema, Yansha, would Yansha realistically. Bear money or by one necessary or put it up, we say, Bakwa, what in Yonko.
Mommy,
let's be real. Bear money or bar. Why not? So putting in more effort now. I'm the Bakwa warren in Yonko. Me fan say, Wabani or bad. And you are bad pretending. Or bow. Because Bema one pretending. I make us a Oban say. And remember, because of their nature, full of pretense. Bema Baku, Obesmania, my baby, who send you Uber Bob football, not finance, who formation, Uber Boy. Who's you was I mean, I'm here number 1, it's not number 10, or about the sound number 1. And yes, and I just a man who's information. A knowledge. When you pretend, a knowledge. It's me, okay. But Bema pretends you only pass or my bay 10, but then, Mrs. Swahili. Bama, me, Obi ma ushia o baby wo ha o hye da mpeduane no enso hu we sense wo pe wache wa warranty bo hu be kono so maye banku bo ko so maye baba ko so wa yesi ani ade o so mo he YouTube no me anu aduane YouTube dia no akaka ade adada wa o da fa obra obi but ni pa no o wa YouTube mpo dia ye bi Nanya hu ya share relationship before and after. Say if given the opportunity again, say we wu na wa babie mu wo ba na wo ne tena ene ka wo bechusu no. Be man na hu no ka wo bechusu no. E ho no me ye hwe ana ye hwe e ma ne mema hifo na pretend to get each other's attention. E ye ma ana say mema e ma aduane no amu Emma edem siesie eba kra ono an hu ne die se de obesiesie ne ho aye ne ade hu na kai ga ide o ye fresh wo be ware ne baby nyame anya wadoma ne senkra wonhwetwi na kanto wa yini moto munwi ene ade
wonim se mema bi wo ho a me ne mema bebre din komo o chiase e na soma me kan e no kre kasa mema bi wo ho a
mi judi just wadwenye
sebe oba odu kofie na was steady one to be a wo achina ya so de anopai ekwan kakra obeye enoma kakra obeye wo fie ho wade ye ketua bi obeye anso de agya okwan e de apewu ba bia ma se fa ko fie no e be kire se fie obesa ba obi ma na wo ma obi da me ka o chase ya ba fie anadwo no sa bra na ya bebo ni nyina na dwo ni nyina no ade achi anopa na enoma ba ku mienu bi akwan obefa so e de siesie mpa so ekwa befa so na dan no sebi one room kura na wo de betoto no ma yie wo dem ho ene kwa befa so asiesie wo hu e de freedom ho de ko no e betimi decide say dan na wa free mu no wo be sa ba mu biem na wo
ma biem na je se e so wa ho boa na be kire wa
na se wanya no ma yie na wo be first time na wakodo obi mpaso first time na de beti na wagigya moja na wa yeso basa chese wa yeso prekese na wa de
hotel
na wa be didi asi wo na take away ade ba ye wa hu di akogu kitchen wa gya hoko
eno ye mpratwe ye hwe okay ti ye hwe
na be de na ye de sade ye bra ya wade
na ofele say a ma be pretend to be who they are not to marry you no wari we are no asesa e di nti na be ma pretend to be who he's not to get your attention no tena we are no asesa is it that wa wari ani mu no na nioma asesa ana say nipa no ana saa na wote na so in order for him or her to get your attention nitina obika woye de wontimi nyani nyina no
me say e ma ne bi wo hokra na sebi do pe woni wiase mi nyina ne say e be ka say we waware da o de enkan chen say o
waware da
waware pen
chezo pese okoba
okọ o de onko enda no supo say o okọ bi na bi aye na anye ya na so okọ bi na waba ye wo ma wo ho a wo mo sa adwene so mu na obi kura timi ka say me metimi ne wa wo keke oba timi bie na no ka say obetimi ne ba ma wo keke me de one me wo pe kura na
it's often so jina bontia of value marriage
owramu a
on value biem
on hu ne say e yade bi asebe sombo ma no
so timi som yi emema bi na omo because obaby be kase me ware mi kum moa me senior ma won fie me be kra wanye no na ma ya ade me no aduane ne ade won so me mu o mafie ntem wanye de ntem enti ene de aduane kra me no bi
ma me say aya de bia me kase
as a king the king enti wo fufu onya sa
you are a king on your own, but when it comes to your own house, be a king who rules with good leadership skills. So what you say? Say uye kina ufie awoso ubu mine ye. So wo yiri ina eya dia enye enhye se be ma kwana ko boa no kitchen. Anase kwana ko boa no nsi ade ba eye efe na ye efe se oba eturu meka no waso ne nufu manya se be da betiti agufom da bi emwa kakra bi be boa. Send be oba ne so ho be hare na edu anadwuna se emre ne so na se wo so wo koforo mpa na wankasa mabrea to the extent because who free adwuma bae no waka wona egu center table so afa daily graphic ekita hani aduane na ben hani enkola no omedidi hani enkola no wo mejare just say you see that person to be so bossy just because I am a king in my home. That be a king rules with good leadership skills. Who chire ufie who chire just say ya man kurampo no
obema de oyo hin wo fie nya fe no okoboa wo ba so
for you yenka say
Charles Benteria I was watching you live from London. Kobe is right. Kobe for support to Dawson. Charles Benteria was watching from London. Kobe is right. Honorable Brutus was say please wish my friend happy birthday for me. His name is Winfred from Tema. Okay, is it Winfred or Winifred? Okay, Winfred. I am a happy birthday. Kobe is not representing the men well. He is afraid to tell the truth. Please. Me on okay, bring me okay. Any patch of prince papa patch I have for me. Na bra now so be kan wadwene ehwe. Said you're welcome. I love you, mommy. God bless you. Your beauty. I do tay. And Saki Jimmy, I say, good evening, mommy. I'm watching you live from Osu. Big ups. Kobe the big ups. Kobe can't say Musa. No more Genesis. Vivian Compla was. I think Kobe Stone doesn't even understand why he's there. And I also think so. Kobe.
Meaning how to present to be out.
Oh no. Yeah, anyway, but yeah, don't you feel, sir? I said in relationships, yeah, share your Ghanaian relationships and I said Ghanaian marriages. Oh, feel say a member be bredy energy. Let's be real. A member be bredy energy or don't any idea woman. At the common girlfriends were outside to the detriment of homo yerin mom titifi. Yeah, share the inti man basa. That is what is happening, and I'm sure you know that. And I'm not talking petting. I'm wanting to make us. Yeah, kind of generally. Oh, Feli said, "Dintina, a member be concentrating more on their girlfriends. A kutia a warrior mum. And no suti a mamma do one yam say, and planchi and de a tia warrior.
So, I know the Ebina, Meshasian Americano. Ejina no ma. Sebi oba na waware na ukofie abekwa akoto no ofie egia no mo obeye ofie a kire wo efa na wo de menka se ni nyina akora na isieyi be se enchichemu du a emu be se nwotwe no the reason the normal isi ofie o cha se normal ye ekoso ofie wa ba fie
okay yeah ana no ofie no e de na mema mompe wo ma ho ofie ebia empratwe mu no yema wo na so bedru abonten ezida emano emuade ezida man emano aduane e big deal mama na oba nsiesie dem a big deal mama oba nim kasa e big deal mama oba nshada eni adaja na so oba kro nsiesie no waye kese
oba nsiesie no waye pafo
ede na haye pafo
wono angasa oba ono angasa ne body no wa se no waye ne jaga
ba so obi super kakraka
dabi enye ne kakraka ne se ne ka open kese o ko fa no na wo difference wo
so she
say kwan o fa so de siesie no ho o ja se nye se obi ye kese a won siesie no ena nye se obi so a wonye oba but the me kire ne se kwan wo fa so de siesie ho na ye de atwempena de awura mu no e mane mba siesie na fe na oboduku abaye utiri ho
pa choma boduku ha
dabi abaye utiri ho basabasa abaye ye no you see no maybe wa obi me tu me nua ba akura sebi wo fie na wo de ntuma twa mo e me tanche me bia
okay
me nua ba wo de ntuma twa mo a ana se bia ye me fie a ye wo msisi se bia meba na charote gugate ano ase adane eno cry me eno ma bebre o me nkon
so oya hia
me nkon oya nkon etasa enti eno ma bi wo ho a wo hu me saa no I don't expect so baby come girlfriend or enko hu saa de no girlfriend no
adenti
me kan cry cho ono wa sase afeina wo
adenti na afele so ko girlfriend ade hu is it not that your girlfriend also no only responsibility to say we yire hwe kwala yi
eti to nkwala ben yes ni nyina na nkwala wo
even
ni nyina na nkwala wo man nkwala na adwen
mani bi na mani eto that situation
enye ni nyina na nkwala wo ena enye ni nyina kwala nkwala na adwen
omo wari wi am appreciation na aye less
o to oba no kuma ntoni yam
okoto oba no wo fie those times no wo twempena na ohu na hey you are looking so wonderful, you are looking beautiful,
I like your wonderful and look beautiful.
I like your short, I like your
like the shorts.
And because our na ba no oba no woni fie enti no okay wo sisi wo ya media enti wo da ha say we dress simple on hwe nanim po no ama simple comment
but when him say me emphasizing on what you said be ma be hu a wo she shorts onware ya na wo fu ye flatter wo she shorts no beka you look beautiful there but ono ane wo fu aba afi wo she shorts so se dey na wife ntuz bu
the first time no wa wo ne nkire se ma wo fu ne nye gbara
na fu no control over the food
a member has a responsibility. That is why you become a king in your own home. When we say you have a responsibility towards that. Jogging. And I said, modern pet compressors. You are doing well. Encourage the person. But hey, and now we have fun. Yes, deep boy. And now we have fun to say. Not get it back to who she used to be for you.
Cynthia said, the men should also know that both you have no right to cheat with you when you do and Bibisa. Or said the women too. And your person can say, we about your bear mom. Memphis, when you say, when you go to your girlfriend, it's when you submit back on a girlfriend. Nana Poko say he's just trying to come off as a tough guy. Why should I pretend for a guy to marry me? Chia, some men can pretend, pa. No wonder why after marriage the ladies walk away or cheat. A man be baby or mama fele say. Papa Baba worry me. They no you share that pretending. Some were here for forcing. I say, Mommy Gold, some of them who that? Some of the ladies also pretend a lot. I'm enjoying your show live from Sipon. So and now Cynthia or say some women do and some men also do pretend. Your person say money me pretend say there. Yeah. Kobe, me problem. Say last time I say me why no na me pay mo asem. Me dey bass of my me na me am there about. Oba bi be hu be ma. One peduane no. on shada nsiesie ne ho wonye obi a woshada esiesie fie papa bia nanso wo be pretending to this man na papa na dwen say saa na wote na afi one ne kwotena wia na afi excuses maze necessarily be say wone be ma ne kwotena say be ma no wa moa wonti a ese say wo ye wo dan basa be ma na moa wonti a ese say wonsiesie fie ese say wonware yie obabi ha ne motom kra wonyi obi ho no ma ono ane se kra wanfo so na wontwitwi obi so ho no ma time on be ma na twempra one of the most year me ma na tie kanti o mo twempra was it time on me twempra gai me musa no ode no to betwitwi mi na wotena me so no ye mi se ni ade date de bia na ma feel am gai me wadwuma mkura no ma dwen ho se gai se se ya de so nya ware ni bi
aduane wo kitchen crop so be gina na chi
ai wo gina na chi na so so any day esi aso de and then I call anu wa ha de
na ba unware wo fifre na hey me wo fifre na
da bi ji
me am do wa ba fie no
ti unware
hey ewi ase
anu ti unware
ese o so ti mi ti wa ti me gina wa ti kura me wo fifre hey
now him say so sigas wa wasem so sigas have na better tare oba ide grace yeah why say oba udru sa level because obviously be ma be adru na ware mfie so a be ma wonyi obi akra no anya hwekro wo ma mienu a wo hwom enti wan chusu obe chusu we ade enti na sese wo so nim sa de we ntimi so nye nkosi akire kobi de ono de so omo ya ahemfo enti omo no omo medi awoka from beginning ya na so omo so betima pretend I said omo show fine pa. What I didn't necessarily about pretend this so much, and I never pretend. Bibi ni si wa ware dum ti necessary.
Mami, I don't think say oba esesawode pretense eko aware. Na ukwo ye nia wontumi enye na ede aware jaya na say ede entokwa ebeba fie abreni na. Obi nso ho a ode pretense na ode beko na so obekwa akoye suahunu obehu obesua na wehu be ma ni ho a obehwe niam obekwa internet so how to do that, how to do this, how to
YouTube aware o
knowledge
but you know so be akwa knowledge ade na how to
say YouTube aware you say titia na ye ma me no de ma ye say na go YouTube
obi wa onye kura onye enem
YouTube na how to make banku
say titia na
YouTube, you know, how to make proper sex.
Oh, balance. Now they YouTube for the moment.
Proper sex, proper banking. You know, Musiano. You know, Musiano money. It's I think
they are lockdown ambassador. And he says the banking.
One baby as of Mamma Deva. One baby or Defa. And yet, no question. Ye ma menu me kane hwese de omudware mu faye ene ye manu kra na ye no ma wo na ye ese titi wom together na o kire o ma fie wo ma me na wo ka no o kire no se de be fa so kra dware aye yi no sese no yetimi gya kra na he dware ne enko e wunwe ye de da dai unye sei na chese ye gya bibia to internet so ese ye ko internet pe ne ye be ye oba pestai apamo a ogo internet o pe panta to ogo internet e hu ye
oba ye be man so ye juma wo bia
o pe we ya
and the e-commerce and the I am marketing easy
internet. It's a bed and waba phone once I'm a phone and peso and internet.
I say good evening, mommy. As for me, I won't even look at your phone. I won't give myself that problem.
You are a responsible lady.
Wow, the phone, so I'm better.
Obi responsible lady.
Mammy, I know be password called it Sebi na Nefia one.
But you're real. I believe, say, this time I say I was here. Pretense in the door so it be so hon my to aware me if you ask me I believe say I say nipa gira bonte na we paware omo de nidie ni obuo ma aware but upon entering into it bema to na serious oba to na serious bema wo pe oba wo be pretend or the ni be pie Kobe last time o can say me I thought say it was very profound.
I mean Charles okay kita story bia papa bi ne a mammy, you know, Netisia. Awari we ya. Omumi, you know, be any man, no man, no first. It's about time I saw Momu. Onumi in Anatia, our worry womb.
fie ba kwa na and obi atem
baako ni Ghana baako wo Ghana baby adru no of course this is the timer esu timi ka kire baako because of baako no mo a wode boa 90 wantimi anka from beginning no de abedu sa time yi and as since oba na bedo no no so according to ono ano wabeto salidi na second na nke say kotimi ka from beginning no wabeto no aye na wade chese abusua ne abusua bemba abusua no so say abusua no e kwa ofa so ye ni say papa afa na beye baako na maami afa beye baako
enti dan enti say ya den problem
enti ni problem ni say sa pretense ya ye ken baby abeduro no kura na emma ontimi nka ni
papa no
yes
the one that pretend is here
papa no ogina enti say wo ka pretend na me kire say ebi kura timi asi
first one e boa no
ndie so na oba na oye second one ye ne right emma otumi kipu na de beduru sa stage we a
mama ncho de oye ne right mama ncho de oye ne right we ni pe bia se see a minister of mama jante se ko ba ne se wo ye eligible man na me fan se wo ware of mama na wo be hume a be ni pe bia wo problem a wo po bi ni ene na di nkomo me boa and we so can we say long distance relationship not just papa na ka so ten
Ono wo Ghana na ne the first wife no wa brochiri and a second one the ba ko no first no de no wo
first one ne
ba ko no so free ya no so ko ye
and ba ko no so tia brochiri ho ba papa no no anso kwa brochiri ho
ono de wa ya ko me ya no butu
de abi de metia busa say aya ono so tu kwan ko enti oba no mumu na ewo ma na wa ba but wa fall ama and e ma menche o de enti hazy za no de enti hazy ni se hwe nipa bia wo ni nipa bia tena ne ho furo wontem normal wo homa obia bema bia hu so atwempre bia open size you say the variety is the spice of life or something the reason why I'm atwempre na because mo yire no mo nyegu ara some girlfriends am no mo nye better is because you want to see other things and especially we crowd your sanso ti abrochire etu obeka so hu na one time hu no ntem and our felisa na yire we say no oba we so di onim no etu oba we no nim ne how oba we ne nim nioma how irresponsible the man is oba we ne nim nioma bia we or like irresponsible say to the bia there be say nipo no te no on who say papa we wo me gina bontin na me who say wo ware sof maami a sof maami ebetimi ono de onimu eti onim say papa we wo no hyenhyen kwa light bill kra wontua water bill wontua and so bia waye di not ho me tie kire na me hu sof maami say de bia waye shepe say de wo koba ne nyina na madwi nyina say eh brother sof maami wanya hu eti unya be pɛ me ana say me kra me de me to ba be wo so na wo wa be pɛ me say de be ya wo be ye and of course wo so hu say enyoman kitinkiti bi aware bi have conflict wo eti in between the line wo be ba mama ne say bia me yire ha me dodo wo be die di say be bia akopo ba fofo chance wo be die di say me say every week bia me money sika say every month bia me money wo di asam kan na so asam no nya kan wie pɛ Everade de onya ya ampe de opɛ ye nya na afi oba ye tete oba de wenya ma no oba ye mo ma wakɔpɛ nipa bia ye nipa maame papa de wo mu se no sunti na mema bebre twempena wa bontin no ba wo de sa oba no hu no te se bosom no ma won ware no nkwa no ne ntina so nsan twempena bi ma ɛna ye obi so wa bema bi wa no ye ne how da bia wo pese nipa le mi no fele se oba we no obi wa kra no na tena ache ofele se oba we me ne na da ne style ni nyina ya baako oba no so anse te sister ya wa he pono de te baby eti we di wo ba wono akwa obepie dem no de ne to abutu dada apagya kosoro nti wo ba ma na wo ba nyina wo ti office nyina ya wo se de ya se go na wo je wo eti papa enhye da anye se oba na bia ye boni bi but oba bia hu se me ko ware wuku a meye bibi ma wuku na pemi a chen ho eye normal and na ebi wo kra na age second wife wo second wife wo no ye penny chen first wife da ma muso azem wo second wife wo ye penny wanyi e chen first wife da
onso aka
mi buse wasem
me nse da
there's no second wife wanyi a chen first wife
baby girls
eti obviously we no ne ho akono we ye younger eti we so obi kan we ye more exuberant ni nufu sisi we ba kwiso de wa trentra nufu no so abodi total sa amade no asai yanko ye ni yef opa yanko ye ni mu a me da for frame me en nkomo no ayede ye he say enne patcho frame no aka say given the chance me ku me fa na nne me giving the chance me yere me picking every time giving the chance me ku me picking every time if he say we say no can tofa ama ye na afi yetimi akoye nim number is 0302216561 0302216562 frame na ye ni enkomo se sa wu asa akọ na obechi ba asazi so bi ebu a ukun ya ne wo hoyi brother yi mani sister yi madam yi dio obi kai mami o goofy hoyi o say choose no bi na say won choose no ne ya dwendwen sem bebre ehun e wa hanom so mami Jean wa hanom ansa na Kobe Stone and mbienu ne wa Kobe Stone say mari bebre ho no pretend sa be ti say di obetima bibi so mami say mema no so pretend idi wo pie me hwe wo yie wo ba me kro obi wo kro ba ya no ahye wo mami dwo uso bu ohia wa no ahye wo mami dwa wo brother no de na to university etu hu no say kai this man is a responsible man. Oh God how are you and about that
e man so bi hia wa kwa be fa so afro mami ebisa unu amu ma no ati church o ma de unu abi ni na chi so wan chi so unu abi di birthday
Obako no ma set party
na platform na ma no
then so what we are
na so be wie no unu anu kro the same person e ba fie wa na ene ya na ene ya so wa unu anu e sa ba fie
anu eduru
je no de
wohu eduru be bia aya na otan bi aba be hye ho udi mi breast kadodo would me breast kadodo na ne che say complain na bra na wunya time ma ye na bra na wo yere na bra
na say beginning no so ba no kwa ye ma na want to turn your man the man na che say so no odo
bra wo yere de bia bra wo yere
hello
e de sa na fe de otan aba
hello Miss Sweetheart mpacho e first na ka say fin
mpacho friend Majwa me ka say break
yo Majwa
mpacho program we dey like the person main contribute to kakra.
Oh, kasa.
And 4 days, and I made friend. Meaning a quarter about for a while, 3 years, Benin, and all friend catching day. Like me no one any one. Like in commoding me to try to kakana or can they like me on there. Me no 1 or 3 years, and I was as well about 8 months, but. Only in ye be for says. It's all kind of miss there. Never been channels the near and over Sisala or like Dana was no station, even common brush a crown or the brush need to know. There made the brush remember no one see no that to be. And I tell you, I just saw she it's animal like no one now condom put there.
It's a brush and a baby who wanted them honey tea or no about for fraco.
Only or
the baby.
Only now we're like out there. Also, the mama, no one you're not. And I say, only is by someone. She don't be any friend and need the show. And some one is being me. On says a day on yellow like, oh, yeah, no, but
you what I'm for the catcher say 1 month pie. Nah, done it. Because Sadia Bacono, Timmy, BB, and see our war, you know.
Uncle for Bialo, or no Biao, and it's about I there. Momo can put them in contribute today. Or 2 weeks, Papa. And
we said the men like too much sex, so they will pretend and give it to them everywhere, even dating. But after marriage, we expect them to understand us. The person just say I begin, you know, almost pay too much sex into your ear. So the person just say man, almost so bad pretending any and one penny swam and here what we are or say no once a week.
Doesn't that program also?
Man, I was so.
The friend I just stayed over Papa and winning with Tafu.
Yo, taxi driver back up, Pacho.
And no Tafu. Kobe Stone and the lady no or person who comes won't meet Kobe Stone that. Woman class. All through that. Don't say, or your bemen to your kind, member some of that. And many go on mobile. Some the semper, or moon yet. If you call a cadabaco, if you cry, your cocoa and docobaco see, it be a middle of the floor, then I will be dinner on you. the pastor when you ready for up our layer. In the bill how to cabbage in the body so one piece cry, who method or they or the young piece in the among.
Cabbage in the body so from 1 piece.
Oh, yeah, cabbage.
Okay,
Now so fine few, non fine mundia. The papa do our own son of the end.
Obey you up to you and with the amount.
You about
I'll be was hello.
Hello.
Yes, Obapa.
Yes, super sorry for Mammy Yakwa.
Mammy Yakwa Pacho Kasaki, can I drink a coffee, Mammy? Why?
Mommy always says a bano, a memo, also the things they used to do during Mknachi and Yabawa, Rima, Umijina say. Well, most of the times, men don't feel the competition. Or we are of Felisa or baby in who pay or buy our no.
Good.
And so, a Nema was so yeah to keep himself, a Nema to entertain the wife, Ninano, then Mujai. Because also, even I remember my counselors never even spoke about the fact that, oh, and you may do how Bema one your baby to me for which you know, but they were rather telling me, say, oh, and maybe be, oh, Bema dear, we are your bath for a while, most married men don't feel competition at all. It's be a crana or bano, a yenya, and a chino bontina, so Osisu Kasheni Kunokrana, or funny trivial. I think that is one of the major things that you see the men they don't or young country I'm sorry to see a young country as if it is more of our responsibility than their responsibility.
I have framing. I framing. No crepa. A man named Somunya Wari. I don't think Sandy B. I say I don't think I can marry someone like Kobe Stone. No way. Yeah. Sandy B, I cannot say I don't think I can marry someone. Tie. What be said? Dabi. How many break? How many big crofo yere no no. Eh crofo mo pen crofo yere mo dey twempren. Nya ware. Mama Fabia, hello.
Hello.
Good
evening. Pacho, I'm the Roland because of free test.
Roland.
Me so meka we dey meka fa ma amamba na kaka.
When you be yanko.
Me face problems me ne oba bi ehia. But oni be ma bi so oba be ma no so me fan Accra Ghana but be ma no ni Accra say.
Why
now so no. Me mba oni be ma no ho ba me hia no ka kire me.
And now so
near now for 4 and sana ye baby inti sisia no be man no o man nante be 4 years new but on shed and serious but who say competition ban say o pre no say o be ba be den abefa no
odi oba
na no
odi oba na
Davi
oni na
Davi
okay to aso
ono na pre no ho sisia say o pese obeye ward no be ware na mpo mi bisa say we obe ware na e odo kwan so ana asafe e wo say competition ba mu ni nti na opere no ho abefa na kwa na
de wo mu no say wan so esese onya nyansa kakra yesa me yiye wo nyansa pa wo ba wo deti obi na watimi afiri mu no na won so wo twempra e kire wo se sa wo ba wo ne ne ware wie da achi asem si da bi o so ne na nante ache say ye dating say ye we nka wo pe on pe be ma na da bi oba no obi anchekere no enti se wo ba no so on pe be ma ba ko na nka wo betimi agya no no ne wa ato aso ba se won so nim so ne wo twem one ne twempna na so akwa hye obi da achi won so ne ne kotena wie a obi fufuro ne obi fufuro so be che so ekoba de se ne o ma bi kofo a enti pacho emma na se ye nim nyansa yetimi tare nkrofo ku no ne nkrofo yire no ma mema de enim se mu nyansa enti pacho mama metetare ye na ye nko ye nim mama fa last one na fe ye nko hello
mami good evening
o me ben pacho first na ga se fin
pacho eja bani me free time
yo eja ban pacho mami ti why
make your first point me say you
pacho lower we de kakra radio no kakra
me free home cry.
Okay, kasa.
Me be me say me oba me no see here. School time. Bisiano and tertiary and where 2-year course bi mu na e go here. Na after school na anye say buy. Na me dey worry no. But enne me ko ba bi na me worry a ono na oba me say worry.
That is so a good woman.
Mami, because maybe obia I get pissed off.
Easy.
I did it to every night. I'm pissed off.
Kobe Stone.
But you are 5 years in me. On your mistake, is grandma and need to yam that.
And you're my best, and you're my best. I know how you said the way I want with you to be to me. You're my best.
Oh, Mami, me more fra me minimum of Franco. If you are crying, where did you move or more jarry?
What's me fine?
Oh, you did be fine.
On one when it is well.
On one who did you Obika, fashion designer, the last who do whom you Diana.
Oh, tell me, you go to Saka too. And
I'm here sometimes be Pia. Oh, my to say, oh, my warrior into the Santa Nipia at the end. But, oh, one year, so,
Obani, Obana Basopa, your friend is saying. Oh, okay, Nanka Mibusa say, your friend is any abonnet Nabaso. No customer, some of your Kenyan, we can come Madam Pine. But the truth and say, a todebia, and Plantree Moon, and Mamma Bibri, Musha Yaza, and Mabby brings Muyaza. Ubiso walk, what if you ask me why you say, Mira is it, and Miss Miffy. But your mamma, your last words enough into Miss Uncle.
I'm sure.
Mami me just nya
King. Oh he
king what
mami chance here wo ba no so.
Queens makes kings. Ye ne mamu ahindi ne edimu. Ye ni ho a wo mu eni ho bi.
Enso na mama sai fe de bia.
Ne ameka ne say who your bad don't pretend. Men pretending and ra awariemu be real, be yourself. Send ya would say be a fakom and quote our dear muna bear man can't say jai where juma jai wa who see and I say nyama bia who ya who ya or do ko si fienu jai ni na ayem or ya was sa na fe chire or shana and shama men who are quack for before from me meti hey ma who see mammy
to say
there be me wadam ne me ni ka hye Emma me ku ehu niam pa e wo ho se ne be ya owo adwuma mu a obekai se na depa bi da fie
ukun krade oni hwe
ai it wo your oba men pretend siesie hu wo aware ma aduane na woni mi yakura se ne okan ne internet ne so ko na ko sua
da bi en sia aduane wo internet so because internet ne be wi atie na ne ma bi ai nyo ba kinkiti bi
kan wi na mom so sua ne yie
o bi ho no nkire
sua ne yie so anse na wakowura aware because marriage for mature people.
Okay.
And mami awariemu ensem bebre e wo ho. Wo kono na no bi si yensisan vows no for better for worse ni yensisan. Yensisan ne say yenyi de wan from yefa de himra me shim. Prepare yourself for the worst. Prepare yourself for the better.
We dey bre wo han ka me wa kam o.
Worse ne ban so adi se ne be ya ubehu sa aware na akoy na sit till they do as part me.
Worse ne wona me dey come Kobe Stone. E memma bebre mo mpe worse ne wo ma ho. Wo yire sisan wo problem. We didn't mean no aduane wo problem bi wo akra no yare o mo problem o ba akra akwa be ma be kwa twempra yare bi ehu hia se ye be bompa ya mamo and e deliverance better much boy
mame media ya make twatwo ne se oba bia no se de be ma no aso mu dia bedru bia no ade ba ko e se o hye no so pa ye nidie
so he's a king
yes he's a king
oh
any die ya de dikan
obuo
sa eso de mano enti obuo no mu no e na obemu sampa be ma phone da ho a wonfa wo pen kofa
pepe odi asi agu
o chase enti obuo no e na be checho na ma bi a obemu se sa de we kura me nye mane nko hamakuma me nye mane nko tete me
enti eni woni ne
kama kuma nko ha me
okay
enti ahomba chese eni gie mu no de bia he obi yenye adwuma na kama yenye na yenko ya nim sa
da say ene je se covid o peso jense de okay oti aware ma ye wadwi se de mema be bia se na anya problem na yenko ya ni merafu ai ensa be bia so ma me ejiande chance ya na se be odi si ye no kwase nipa bebre ho no ma de enti o mo ko no mo problem with them and say obi ka say me yire ware wi adwuma ho ye wejai obi hon ma be hu no ye tailor obi hon ma no ye a hairdresser obi hon ma oye deco any ade onya ware wie pose adwuma no megyae enti ebi hon ma na be ma no attraction na onya wo ho no eye through wadwuma no ana the fact say na wo ko na wo ba ne ade no kra e attract be ma no enti wo gya adwuma na be ma na e akoye ne say aside say bia you are no more helping in the home no na e akoye te say I said he doesn't find you attractive anymore enti mesra wo say oba wo ye adwuma onya ware wi ampacho to wadwuma no so and under no circumstance ne say wo gya wadwuma be ma bi ka to say gya adwuma na ye ntena fie mpacho nya bi da ja juma na betena fie nya bi da esoro se e bia wonyem na bia nyinsen no ho aye den ana bibi problem bia ba na ntie beka se bia tena fie kakra na bia sa wo wie na ho chia na wakwa akwa juma na mmom se be ma beka jo se ja juma na mehwe wo de wo mu no se anya hwe kura wo bia ye de talent bi ma no eti tena fie nyame ma de wa ma ni bi kwa kan the parable of a talent de ya ma no hwe kura ye ma na ba ko eti misre wo se entena se na nyi wani na ma ni pa ko no e ma enkoye ti se de e kosuru nyina no asa de wo de wa baba to wa ware ani mu won contribute so obi contribute attraction wa ware ani mu nyina ko saa so na wo be ma so wa ware mu no no so contribute no kwasem se attraction wa ware ani mu nyina so timi yira eti so ba bia ho so wo bia ho so bomodian se wo so be ye bibi dia bo a wo yire no ana we so mu kaka na we aso mu kakra efi se no kwasem ne o so and last time ko bi stone kan bibi make no say chama eya me de pa wo se ade a wonim se wontimi enye nkosi ase ne nkostarte unwo ba na wo de ni pie wo phone ma no wo to ne credit ma no wo jeje ne so kakra ne birthday wutimi kai wo ware ni we all of a sudden aso aso asisi won ka hwe wo ba hu wo boa bibi dia na nkwala ne kwa na ade ma wo eyesa na oba na e say maid na wo kwa ware you are not looking for a house help you are looking for a wife it me pacho so ware ma wo yiri hu say she is part of you and I mean kancho the theory of the phone de kobi kan non starter se be ma wutimi bie wade yiso anwi nyina wo so obetimi be bie wuto ehwe nneoma e wo honom wuto kura anya wo yiri timi ka chose kopepa wuto ana kodware ene ade na se wo se ni nyina mu oba de betimi ahwe but you, when it comes to your phone there's a confidentiality clause to be you oba keeping it there be man keeping it there bible kura ka se wo se bibia ni woni nyame ntam asem bia ni honoma wutimi de nam ye ekonyame anim adenti na bibi new phone so why are you so afraid and listen, the men me pamocha onye bibia anya se bia ye anya se ma person mo fa phone but the thing is that when you obiti ho now you feel ebi wo kura na wonye hwe but se be ma no nya ehye rules bia na say na ko yet say you can do everything you can touch everything but sa dan we menkom oni be ma te no so ka say dan we menkom na de e kwa ne say occultic room eno ye one sa so na so oni be ma te no say be ma na ka cho say me phone we men fa unsanka na ya ko yet say bibi wo phone no so eti ebi wo kura na wonya hwe but ubu so ba ne de na dwe ne nam saa se miku twempra eno keketimi se wo ba attitude e be ba wa fele se ene me no aduane ene me ma wo ne me nta ene be se kura me minimum style a wo ye wo fie ha nyina enti se woni oba foforo ye de a style se nyina de kogu abonten ho wo ba ba ye de wo fie enti me sere se ye wo relationship a ye ma openness mra ware ahunu se esese usiesie wuku usiesie ufie uma bibia ekoyi said ye wuku hu no wuku mpa funtus buntus wa oba said esese wafu ba ne sa no memo obi nka nkyere wo sei wa hwe ebeku enti mpacho wankasa ye exercise kakra na ti waduane so anajo said ebe ya bibia betimi akoyi bemma wo so de wo ye ma wo yire no to aso jeje ne so ne birthday kai na nioma nyina entimi enkoyi nyame nhira sa oje bra uti ye family lady reverend mami ye bo esidu e na na ju fe se de wunim no ye kwa ko bompa ye on the prayer train Facebook ubetimi share prayer train the prayer train ubetimi share ye the prayer train so Facebook with Reverend Mami Gold mpacho ubo unsa ebeka ye Facebook every 12 midnight bia menen crofo ye kenya miasem me kenya miasem na yasan so abompa ye melidi ni pa bebre anwonwasam ne nioma yesisi de eye bebre enti mpacho bomodi ababi on Instagram so ubetimi follow Reverend Mami Gold eno ene ye me anasa Rev Mami Gold na wonso wetimi follow enti about 12 midnight no we share hona yetimi abompai J Cole Jamestown J Cole ena enne ochinchin fidie ne mai na yetimi hwe ye Facebook ansa na mia mebempa mi sweetheart shine kwa papa bi wono so o produce me majumedi ekoyi so for Mami Jean Anderson ene boa me asana Kobe Stone Lindsay one so boy me na dwumedi ne koyi nyame adoma next week omo mienu na be san so aba me hu so omo pen no fine until next week omo mienu this time be omo ana ombeba nyame ehira wo your family lady reverend mama yebo say do me number 0207 939870 0207 93 98 70. God bless you so much. Nyame